Dak mga memory na halata pa.
Na?
Kita man dyan na gano'n? 1997. 2 years old.
Alin kaya sa kanila?
Nag-guess mo?
Guess mo ma?
Okay,
Sige.
for me it's red.
Red. Sika.
Yellow
So,
lata
you're
kanya
yellow.
ako.
Maybe this one.
White.
White.
Yellow
Okay,
kanya.
Let's see.
Yellow.
Guess what's next?
Yellow.
The new model of
Yellow. Timati, wag pa milk tea.
camera, 7 filters, opening, AMD. Let's guess what
Kailan
color
ko mga
inside.
tunatat tayo.
My pick color is the red one. So let's
Yellow.
see. SM's yellow and MD's white one.
Yellow.
Hopefully one of us will pick or right. Tagal. That's from 957 playing Kodak camera.
The latest mini camera. Pinakamaliit na camera.
Wala, sinira niya na. It's obvious na niya na open. Dapat meron ka ng pen dito papunta dito. Or put apart. Takes 1 minute na. Ay, ano ko dyan? Versus
Suspense.
Shout out to Mary.
Yellow.
Why?
Yellow.
Oh, that's do not.
Yellow.
Man.
Yellow.
Bring it out. I think it's black. Bring it
Rosa?
out. Bring it out.
Yellow.
Pull up.
White yata eh.
Pull up.
Yellow.
No, be careful. It should be flipped it. No, flipping the other side. Yeah, like that. Then pull out.
Yellow.
Suspense. My goodness.
Yellow.
What color? It's gray.
Yellow.
Maybe it's gray.
Yellow. Yellow. Yeah. No, I get it right. Blue.
Oh, it's white one.
Yellow.
Let's see.
Yellow. Tada! White.
Gray one.
White.
No one is right.
It's okay.
That's
Wait.
fine.
Ay.
Unisex.
Wait, diba?
Very nice.
Tapos pag ikabilang memory card na yun.
Francis.
SD card.
Ang cute.
Oh,
May on mo man.
monitor.
On mo garo din
Maybe no battery. But you have to.
Wow,
There is select mode, video, filming. No, the bottom in that side. Up, yun yan. May arrow. Yan.
liit.
Oh, see? So cute.
So cute.
Tiny camera, mini camera, Kodak camera.
May ito kulay na, di ba?
Yes. Nice.